As a kid, all I wanted was to meet Micky Dolenz, who's the guy on the far right, in case you don't know that, because you're too young to know who I'm talking about right now. But that was really funny to me, and the kids reacted well to the show. And that taught me that it did have something to say to a newer generation. So I thought, And then I ended up writing an article. I'm on the editorial board of Written By Magazine, which is the magazine of the Writers Guild of America. And I wrote an article about the show because we write about writers. So I thought to myself, how many of the writers are still alive? And they were about 7 of the original 15, and they were welcome to chat about their time on the show. So I met with them at their various homes in Beverly Hills, because they made a lot of money in television way back in the day, and found that many of them grew up. They were young when they wrote on this show. They were all newcomers. And many of them went on to win Emmy Awards, including Treva Silverman, who was the first female to be on a comedy show without a male partner. So she was solo writing on the show, and we're talking about 1966. So that was a big deal, not to have a boy help you, right?